Restoration hardware, photo shoot, mini vlog. Okay, go. Why? So we start our pictures in one room and notice a staff member watching us, so make our way up the stairs and...
Photo shoot, you're both gorgeous.
Oh.
It's like Chanel, they don't let you take pictures in Chanel. Same thing.
Okay, there.
Spectacular.
Oh, thank you.
Take a picture, both of you.
Okay, is that
sure.
the nicest manager or what? This is our walk of shame out of restoration hardware. We really tried. At least the lady was really nice about it. I'm sure we got one good picture. Julie got one very nice video, so that's good. How do you feel?
Disappointed, defeated.
Then we took some videos outside until our third musketeer showed up. And we started outfit planning and packing a bag in her car. We had a reservation at the RH Cafe and we're ready to change. This is the bag we have of all our clothes that we brought that we might eventually change into. We got the bestie ever. Look at this mirror, so cute. Now we are gonna change.
I'm not changing.
Jui's too nervous to change. She feels very awkward. Also because we're at the very end of the restaurant, so everyone can see us when and if we go change. This is us figuring out our wardrobe situation after ordering some food. We just could not stop laughing the entire time because of how obvious we were, and you can see how embarrassed Julie is. The funniest part about heading to the bathroom was that we had to pass the manager who knew exactly what we were up to. Okay, so we changed. We tried to make it look subtle by wearing it inside what we were wearing on top earlier. I don't know how subtle it is, but we're making our way back to Julie. We just had clothes all over the place. Cheers to being crazy. This girl's trying to close it up. Yeah, cheers to being super extra. Forever.
Ever. This is what friendship means.
To embarrass each other. These are the delicious cookies that the manager actually recommended we try. So we ended up doing 3 outfit changes and the manager was very impressed with us. They took of us during one of our outfit changes and these are our mission. Hope you enjoyed the mini vlog.